When you accidentally mess up your cross like this, you can do this. When you mess it up like this, when these F12 slots are filled, and if you do the previous algorithm, you will mess up the F12 pieces. So do this. For this F12 case, you can quickly solve it like this. For this easy case, we can just do this. But if you look closely, it is a window variation case, so doing a sledge can solve the OLL too. Can you identify which OLL case it is? Is it OLL number 7 or number 12? It is OLL number 7. For OLL number 12, here this corner is facing towards the right, and there's one more yellow piece. So if you see this, you can go directly into it. Here's only one yellow piece, so I know which case it is. For EPUM, most people mess it up like this. To avoid this, look for a color pattern something like this: blue, red, and blue. One color in the middle of same two colors, and that's the hard spot. But here it's orange, blue, and red, so it does not match our pattern, and it will mess it up. Here's from the correct side. If you do a spam like this, you can do M2 and U2 like this. Here's tip number 8. Use discount code VCube at speedcubeshop.com for a massive discount and a free shoutout.